sometimes you need to put a new wrinkle on an old plain side dish like rice or potatoes. So today I'll show you a new wrinkle on rice that'll be really good, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So go ahead and cook a cup of rice to yield 2 cups, which I've done. You can use white, brown, long grain, short grain, it doesn't matter. So I've got 2 cups of white rice here. I'm going to add an egg, some freshly chopped oregano, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to mix it all together. Now go ahead and form the rice into about 2-inch diameter rice cakes and lay them out on a sheet pan and cover them and refrigerate them for at least half an hour so they can firm up. Now I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a pan. I've got it to frying temperature. Now I'll dredge the rice cakes in some flour, shake off the excess, and then fry on each side till they're golden brown. It should take about 4 minutes per side. Okay, all of my rice cakes are fried and I've drained them on paper towel. Now I'm going to put them on a plate here, and the garnish is some softened butter on each and then a sprinkle of freshly minced parsley. And that is just delicious, and I know it's going to be a great side dish for you. So write to me for the recipe here at the station, or log on to the website at the address shown on your screen and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks so much for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Enjoy your rice fritters, and I'll see you next time.